to Design Demo 3. We will begin by assessing the design plan and amount of undercut for this bilateral distal extension case. In this case, we can observe the length of this distal extension as well as a limited spacing on this side for the molars. The challenge is to create a major connector with the proper gauge to avoid any lateral movement from occurring under mastication. We begin the design by following the standard rules of design, going to the cingulums on the anterior teeth and above the height of contour of the posterior section of the teeth, as well as avoiding the buccal fold areas when designing the flange and the major connector. If we look closely at this section, we can see these two areas with existing tori. Tori is extremely sensitive to patients, even when very minimal. Avoiding it throughout the design would be ideal. However, if avoiding the tori is difficult, a small amount of relief wax over the area will be necessary during the blockout. We continue with the design, again avoiding those buccal fold areas. In the clasp area, we follow the natural contour of the necklines. Let's take a look at the final design. The design is very straightforward. Again, the main concern is a proper gauge of the major connector. If this case only had 6 anteriors and the rest was edentulous, a thick major connector would be essential to ensure proper stability. Our design is now complete and we are ready to block out. The blockout for this case is minimal, as there is no major issues with path of insertion, no angulations, or deep undercuts. A small amount of relief wax in this cervical area and around the tori will alleviate pressure. This case is fully blocked out and is ready to move forward to the duplicating process.